If you want to see more electrical and electronics engineering related videos, then check the playlist section of this channel. In this video, we will see an example on phasor relationships for circuit elements. Question: a voltage V of t is equal to 100 cos 60t plus 20 degree volt is applied to a parallel combination of a 40 kilo ohm resistor and a 50 microfarad capacitor. Find the steady state currents through the resistor and the capacitor. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. So the voltage is given, V of t is equal to 100 cos 60t plus 20 degree volt. Then the value of resistance is given. So here we can write R is equal to 40 kilo ohm, that is equal to 40 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Then the value of capacitance is given, C is equal to 50 microfarad. So it is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. We have to find the steady state currents through the resistor. That means we have to find IR and we have to find the capacitor current. That means we have to find IC. So now to find the current through resistor, the formula is IR is equal to V of t divided by I of t. V of t divided by resistance R. This is according to Ohm's law. Voltage is equal to current into resistance, or current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So V of t is this value. This is the value of V of t, and the value of resistance is this value. This is the value of resistance. Now we can easily simplify this, so it will be 100 divided by this value. 100 divided by 40 into 10 to the power 3. So it is 2.5 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 3. Let's write this value here. Then cos 60t plus 20 degree, and since it is IR, so its unit will be ampere. Then next is we have to find the value of current through capacitor. That means we have to find IC. So IC is equal to C dV by dt. The value of C is, here we can see it is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the value of capacitor. Then d by dt. So d by dt of voltage. So voltage is this value. Let's copy this from here. Now if we simplify this, so it will be 50 into 10 to the power 6 into this 100. So this will be 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 100. So it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then d by dt, derivative of this cos will be minus sign. So minus sign, and this will be 60t plus 20 degree into this 60. So now this will be minus this 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 60. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 60. So it is 0.3 sine 60t plus 20 degree. And since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. So this is how we can find capacitor current and current through resistor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also check out the other videos on electrical and electronics engineering. And thanks for watching.